Warm welcome to all the viewers. In today's session, we will be talking about how to import the data from Scopus as well as Web of Science for bibliometric analysis. If you missed my previous video on Introduction to Bibliometric Analysis, you might like to go back and view that before coming over to this second session of bibliometric analysis. So let us start. So here, as you see, I am here in Scopus Advanced Search, which is accessible only through your institutional subscription. So in case your institution has a subscription, you have the username and password, you can log into it and then you can search, perform an advanced search and search for the relevant documents. Otherwise, your scopus.com, if you just type scopus.com on Google, you'll have this kind of website visible, wherein you have author search option. You see the author search option and you have the sources. You don't have the document search option here, which you will find in the subscription based Scopus. So here am I in my subscription based institutional Scopus interface. What you need to do: first, you might have a topic in your mind, what you want to do, what research you want to carry on. Say for an instance, I want to carry on research on role of AI, artificial intelligence, in academic writing within the field of tourism or hospitality. So the best way to write it is, I'll go to advanced search option in Scopus, and here in the enter query string, what I will do, I will select title abstract keyword. Let me show how to do it. So if you start typing here, you see automatically Scopus gives you these options. That means Scopus will search in for your query in title, abstract and the keywords of the article or the publication, so that you can get the relevant results. So I'll select this thing and then I have the bracket. Within this bracket, I have to write AI, then space, and again I'll say and, because I want not just AI, I want AI along with academic and writing, like this. In case you want academic writing to be together, occurring together, then you put this in inverted commas like this, and then it will catch academic writing as a whole. Otherwise, individually it will catch up academic and writing alone, like this. And then I want this in the field of tourism. So I'll type in here tourism, as I told you, or, so I get an option of or, I select or, hospitality. So I want the relevant publications which are related to the role of AI in academic writing within tourism or hospitality. Now, after this and, I need to put in a round bracket, because I'm asking Scopus to find out those articles which have AI, academic writing as a whole, and tourism or hospitality as a keyword in their title, abstract or keywords. So let us see what Scopus gives us. After this, we need to put in another round bracket which helps to close this entire string. Now I click on search, and you see I got 2 documents only. So that means there are just 2 publications. Herein on the left side you have filters, wherein you can filter. Say I want it from 2023 to 2025 onwards, and I'll see, yes, I got those two documents again, the same two documents. That means there are only two publications which are related to the query string which I had put over here, right? So this is the way I can filter out the results. In case you get many documents and you want to perform a systematic literature review within a time range, you can select the time range over here and you get the relevant documents. Now, how to export it to do bibliometric analysis? Ideally, there would be many documents coming up. For the sake of giving you an example, I put this string and I just got two documents. What you need to do, you go to export and click on CSV. When you click on CSV, you select on all documents on this page or documents 1 to whatever is the range. So you put it over here or whatever number of documents are there. Now, what information do you want to export? Citation information, bibliographic information, abstract and keywords. I don't want the funding details and I don't want the other information. So these three are relevant for me in order to do a bibliometric analysis with this database. Now you see here, you can export up to 20,000 documents in CSV format. So in case you have less than 20,000 results or up to 20,000, you can export them at one go in Scopus. And you click export and you will get a CSV file downloaded on your system, which you can use it for bibliometric analysis. Now let us go to Web of Science and show you how to do the same thing on Web of Science as well. So this is Web of Science. You see, I have again logged in into my Web of Science account. So how you do it? Simple, I'll just tell you. You just type WOS and then you go to this one, Web of Knowledge. You click on Web of Science and it will ask you to sign in. I've already signed in, that's why you see my name over here. And then you go to Advanced Search. You see here Advanced Search. When I click on Advanced Search, it brings me to this fielded search. Now, what we did in Scopus, title, abstract and keywords, the same thing can be done over here by using the search criteria of topic. So it says topic, searches title, abstract, keyword plus and author keywords. So I'll select topic over here, and in case you want it to be in any of the fields, you can select all fields. So it means searches all of the searchable fields using one query. This allows you to easily find your search terms in any field. For now, let us stick to topic so that I show you that what is the similarity in document generation of Scopus and Web of Science. We'll see it over here. So here, how to type the query? It's simple. AI and academic writing, like this. Again putting it within inverted commas because it's a single word I want to find out, and within brackets I put tourism or hospitality. So this is the way I put it and click on search. So you see, again I got the same two documents by Web of Science also. You note it over here. It looks good enough, and when I go to Scopus, I have the same one. It looks good enough. And the second one is a conference paper, affordances of technology and affordances of technology, right? So I got the same two results through Web of Science and Scopus. Ideally, Web of Science has a more bigger, larger database than Scopus. You can use Scopus or Web of Science, or you can combine the both databases after downloading them and then use it for bibliometric analysis. In the upcoming video, I'll show you how to combine both of the files. One which you downloaded from Scopus in CSV format, but for Web of Science, you will have to download it and export it in plain text format. So I click over here, go to export plain text file, and then all records on this page, since you have just 2 records for the sake of giving you an example. Now Web of Science can export no more than 1000 records at a time, right? So what you want: record content, author, title, source, or abstract. So you can select it over here from here and then click on export. So you see, you got the plain text file. Now one plain text file with the documents and one CSV file from Scopus. How to merge them together to perform bibliometric analysis in BiblioShiny app, I will show you in the next video. Hope this video was quite informative and knowledgeable for you, and you will definitely share it with your friends and faculty colleagues. Keep tuned, keep watching. Thanks a lot.